Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your workplace from specific friends on Facebook using your PC with the new update. This is a great way to manage your privacy and ensure that only the people you want to see your work information can do so. So, let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC. Next, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, click on the About section. This section is usually found below your profile photo or cover photo. Clicking on About will take you to a page where you can edit all sorts of profile details, including your work and education information. In the About section, find and click on Work and Education. Here you'll see a list of your current and past workplaces and educational institutions. Now, next to the workplace you want to hide from specific friends, look for the audience icon. This icon usually appears next to the three dots icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various privacy options. From the drop-down menu, select Friends Accept. This option allows you to choose specific friends who will not be able to see your workplace information. A list of your friends will appear. Go through the list and select the friends you want to hide your workplace from. Once you've selected all the relevant friends, click on Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your workplace from specific friends on Facebook. Now, only the people you haven't selected will be able to see your work information on your profile. This is a simple yet effective way to control your privacy on Facebook and customize who sees what on your profile. Remember that you can always go back and adjust these settings as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of social media.